step and glide, jab, cross, duck, cross, hook, cover, uppercut. All right, let's learn how to take all this stuff home, practice, get in some good repetitions. You have two ways of doing it, in my opinion. You could always shadow box it, but you gotta have pretty good imagination for that. Or we can use mitt drills, or we can use the bag. I'm gonna show you how to use both today, okay, while we're using and building our basics of our reactions, okay? Remember, reactions are the most important part of what we're trying to do. Very easy with a partner, okay? So we're gonna set up our two basic drills right now. Okay, in a self-defense world, why am I going forward right now? Because his hands are to the side, therefore his face is open. So the concept I'm learning right away, enter with my jab. My jab makes impact, I fire my cross punch. Now my eyes are looking out. Okay, so our first drill is he throws a circular strike at me. I want to make sure it's going to hit me in the face. A lot of partners train and they miss on purpose. Please hit them in the face on purpose. From there, I'm going to duck and weave underneath, loading my back leg. I'm going to fire my cross punch, my hook punch. When I train my uppercuts, I'm going to cover, drop, and fire my uppercut. Okay, so that's our first drill. Again, step and glide, jab, cross, duck, cross, hook, cover, uppercut. Okay. Second drill is going to build up the reaction of slipping. So again, same entry. Jab hits, cross follows. I'm looking where that's coming. He's firing it straight at me. I'm slipping to my back leg. As he retracts his punch, I fire my next. Cross, jab, cross. One more time, second drill. Step and glide, jab, cross, slip, cross, jab, cross. If you're training that at home with your partner and you've got it memorized, take it to the next level. And even though we're just doing some basic, and now I don't know which Tyson is going to throw. It's going to force me to react to what's taking place. So again, I'm entering, jab hits, cross hits, he ducks. Sorry, I ducked, cross, hook, cover, uppercut. How does that look on the bag? So when I'm going to train it on the bag, there's lots of different ways that we can hit the bag. But again, if I'm just training for memorization, I'm not going for a workout right now. So I'm going to enter, step and glide, jab, cross, duck, cross, hook, cover, uppercut. Second drill, step and glide, jab, cross, slip, cross, jab, cross. Okay, so again, without a partner, I have to be building the reactions. So what I'm doing in my mind, now I'm going into either first or second drill, is I'm going step and glide, jab, jab hits. Therefore, cross must come. Cross comes out. Notice where my eyes are peering. I'm looking for where that weapon would be attacking me. Something circular comes at me. I tell myself, duck, weave to the back leg. Once it's loaded, put something back on the target, and the rest of it is really just a workout, okay, and training my punches. Really, when you're training on the bag, we want to be tapping into the imagination, okay? So if you don't have the drills memorized that well yet, take your time on the bag and just build up that memorization. It's going to make a big difference when you learn how to smash some stuff. That's the basics of some of our mitt drills. Watch the other videos to see how far we take it.